Well, it's almost November, and I'm standing outside my backyard here without a jacket on. And I think you'd agree that this isn't typical for this time of year. But what if I told you that the stock market has its own seasons as well? It's true. Let's just say you invested $10,000 in the Dow back on May 1st of 1950, and then you sold out of the market on Halloween of that same year and put all your money in the bank until May 1st of 1951, then invested the proceeds in the market again on May 1st of 1951, selling out on Halloween of that year, and so on and so forth, doing it every year. So if you did this every single year, being invested only in the late spring, summer, and early fall months since 1950, any guesses what your $10,000 will be worth today? Wait for it. Well, over a half century later, your $10,000 is worth less than $10,000. No lie. This is why we in the investment world call the summer months the seasonally weak months of the year for the stock market. Whoa, hold on. Well, let's just say instead you wanted to try your luck in the winter months. So let's just say you took that same $10,000 and instead invested it on November 1st of 1950, selling out of the market on April 30th of 1951, sticking your money under the mattress for the summer months and reinvesting the proceeds again on November 1st of 1951, selling out again on April 30th of 1952, and so on and so forth. So what's your $10,000 worth by staying invested only during the seasonally strong winter months? Over the same time period, so over a half century of years in the market, the same $10,000 that grew to less than $10,000 in the other portfolio would actually have grown to more than $850,000 in the portfolio that stays invested only during the seasonally strong months of the year. Now that's some powerful information. Understand that while we're talking about the Dow today, similar seasonality takes place across the S&P 500, the NYSE, the NASDAQ, any of the stock market indices. But no, we're only talking about stocks here. The seasonality study has nothing at all to do with bonds, commodities, currencies, or even international stocks. Now, with that all said, these are just statistics. What we really want to pay attention to is when the market bucks those statistics and when things go against the typical trend, which is actually exactly what's happened this year. So if you'd like to get more information about studies such as this one, check out our website at libertaswealth.com. You can see it at the bottom of the screen there. And if you'd like a second opinion on your portfolio, or if you'd like a cost-free, no-obligation financial plan with one of our financial advisors, please call our office, shoot us a quick email, anything you need to get a hold of us. In closing, Halloween and the seasonally good months are now upon us, and we're also getting forecasts for temperatures in the 70s in November in Columbus, Ohio. Talk about unseasonably good weather, but who's complaining? I guess it's an Indian summer after all. And speaking of, go Tribe.